Okay, so let's create JQuery Collapsible. What are collapsibles? Collapsibles are like we have a hyperlink जिस पे हम click करेंगे तो ये paragraph अगर hidden है तो show होगा, and if it show so this will hide. तो click action किस पे होगा? इस A पे. So dollar dot collapse A dot click function, and first thing is prevent default. So why we need prevent default? To stop the default action of HTML. So अगर हम ये नहीं करेंगे prevent default तो पेज क्योंकि href blank है तो refresh हो जाएगा. Say this. So to avoid this, first of all use event dot prevent default. Let's say we have one more collapse and one more 3. So now click तीनों के एक का click है. So on the click this, add a CSS code dot collapse p display none. तो सारे p hide हो जाएंगे. Collapse का a display block and change the color. Okay, so display block means we can click anywhere. हम लोग end पे भी click करेंगे, so this will work. So now see, this is the click action, and let's add an image. Background image URL pic plus.png. So this is a plus image. This image should be no repeat. Okay, so this is coming to the left, and right पे चाहिए तो X should be right and Y should be center. The background position. This is the image. Okay. Now if we click this, ये slide होना चाहिए था, open होना चाहिए था. For that, we use $this. So $this means current link, current hyperlink, this one, dot next. Next means the next element. So next element is P, a paragraph. So next P should what? Let's say slide down. So this will slide down, but if we again press this, this will not slide up. So for that, use slide toggle. We are using slide toggle now. Okay. Say this is slide open, slide close. Now this is happening with all collapse class. 1, 2, 3. So this is slide open and slide close. Let's change the color. Okay. Now with this action, यहाँ पे image भी change होनी चाहिए. So this is an image. जिसकी line height आ रही है. जिसकी width 17, height 19 है. So make sure line height should be 20. Hyperlink. ठीक है. Now when we click this, यहाँ पे minus image आनी चाहिए. If collapse A is active, change the background image. So URL should be pic slash minus, then no repeat, and position right center. तो ये एक्टिव क्लास कब होगी? तो ये भी टॉगल होनी चाहिए. तो $this dot toggle class active. Okay, see, click this, ये minus and you open, click this, click this. So this is a collapsible. Click again. Say this. Okay, we can also use carrots or background images or tab icons, glyph icons. Okay, so this is the collapsible in jQuery with minimum code. So just with 3 lines of code, we have created a jQuery collapsible with slide transition. ठीक है, we can also change the time if you want. आप यहाँ पे time दे सकते हो, but it's not necessary. ठीक है, so this is a collapsible in jQuery or a jQuery collapsible. ठीक है. So now let's create jQuery Accordion. So for accordion, this is accordion. First, second, third. CSS should be same. So 1 second. Accordion. Active. So this is collapsible and this is my accordion. In accordion, आपके सारे के सारे hidden होंगे, but first one will be open. So let's add all these three in a div. Now this accordion is the first child of this div. So now I'll say accordion whose first child of parent node का p display block. So this is block and ये page load पे active होगा a, तो class active. So see, wrong. So now add your functionality. So see यहाँ पे difference क्या है? The top one is collapsible. So the top one was collapsible and this is accordion. So in accordion, one should be open. So see, right now first start with the function dollar dot accordion a click function, and first thing is prevent default. Okay, stop this action. Now यहाँ की functionality is slightly different. See, thing is, if we click this thing, this hyperlink, nothing should happen, means this will remain open. So we have to click on second or third one so that they can open. So that means we have to create a condition so that this or this, so only click will work on second and third, not on the first one. How is that? If dollar this means current hyperlink. So that means we are talking about this element. So if it is active, so this means is dot has class. Which one? Active. Double equal to false means it is not active, then only do this. So this action will work. So let's say not active alert. Now say this if it's not working. And one thing, accordions A. Okay, so see, alert is not coming. Now we can see the alert. We can see the alert. So what to do? Open this and hide this one. So to open this, dollar this dot next we should slide down, but this will slide up. So dollar accordions all p should slide up. You see, click this will slide up, this will slide down. Click this will slide up, this will slide down, this will slide up. And now press this. Okay, we also have to change the active class now. So active is still there. So to change the active class, dollar dot accordion a dot remove class active and this dot add class active. Okay, see this. So say this is minus and now click will not work here if it's not matching. Say this. So this is our accordion. So in accordion you can see any one is open. There all can open. So all are visible, all are closed, but there only one is visible at one time. Okay, so this is jQuery's accordion and this is jQuery collapse. So collapse means a collapsible. So now start with jQuery tabs. So jQuery में tabs कैसे create होते हैं? So for tabs, let's create a class tabs. Within tabs we have navigation with UL, li and a. First is tab 1, 2, 3 and tab 4. Dot tabs parent class border 1 pixel solid. Tabs nav rise a. Okay, and padding and some margin. Okay, so these are tabs. First tab is active, so a dot active. So this is your active hyperlink. Okay, add some padding. Okay, so this is tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4. And now add some data. For data, we have our div tab data. And there inside we have some all different divisions. So all the divisions will have one subheading. This is for tab 1 and after that a p paragraph 2 3 4. Okay, so this is my data dot tab data's child div adding 10 pixel. Okay, now all of out of these four only the first one should be active, means visible. So display none to all div, and if this div is first child of parent node, to display block. So first one is active. Now we have to click tab 2, tab 3 and tab 4. So ये active होना चाहिए and उसी वही वाली tab आपका show होना चाहिए. So click action किस पे होगा? Tabs पे. तो dollar dot tabs nav ul a dot click पे function with e. So first is default action stoppage. So prevent default. Now use active class. So dollar tabs uls allies a dot remove class active and this dot add class active. So this is working. Okay, but now we have to change these things. So when div is tab 2, so make sure that this div should be hidden and they should be visible. So इसके लिए क्या लॉजिक यूज करते हैं? तो फर्स्ट थिंग, पहले तो सबको हाइड कर दो. तो $.tab data space child div dot all div will fade out. So click this. This is fade out. And which one will fade in now? Let's say div with nth child 2. So now click this. This will fade in, but transition is not smooth. So for that, इसको 0 कर दो. Okay. So now tab 2 दिखाई दे रहा है, but this is a static value ना. So we can't use 2 here. यहाँ पे 2 की जगह क्या आना चाहिए था? If it's tab 3, तो 3 होना चाहिए था. Now 4 and now 1 होना चाहिए था. So it should be 1 tab, second, third and fourth. So this is a dynamic value. So don't use 2, use a number.
This.
No, the index of
Okay,
hyperlink.
okay.
This hyperlink na. So to get the index variable t should be $this. So who's this here? Hyperlink.
Yes.
So this is hyperlink. This hyperlink, but all hyperlinks सबका index 0 है. So इसका index भी 0 है. Is the first cell. ये भी 0 है. ये भी 0 है. ये भी 0 है. So this dot parent means li. Now li का index क्या है? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So $this dot parent dot get the index value. So index क्या होगा आपका? So this can be between 0 to 3. So this is the index value and add 1. So this will be now nth child. So now after adding 1, these values are in between 1 to 4. So now there we have to add this value. तो यहाँ पे आपको variable pass करना है, but this is a string. And to add a variable here, first we have to close the string, means double quote, and then add plus operator. Then there you can use t is your number, and then again plus, and then one more quote. Okay, see now, this is tab 2, this is tab 3, and this is tab 4 now. Okay, to check the DOM. So on page load, only this is block and remaining all are none. But see, when we click this, so this is block, click this is block, this is none, this is block, and now this is block. So only one will be blocked and remaining will be display none. So we are using fade in fade out transition, तो वो भी यहाँ पे easily work कर रहा है. So this is jQuery tabs. So you can add n number of tabs in future because your code is dynamic, like tab 5 and tab 6. So only thing you have to do is add 2 more divisions, 5 and 6, and this will work. See, this is 6 tab now, this is 4, this is 5th tab now. Because we are using a logic. So ये logic तो आपका n number of tabs के लिए work करेगा. So you can use 2, 3 or n number of tabs with the same logic. So means my code will remain same, but still you can add n number of tabs in the same code. Okay, so this is jQuery tabs.